Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from according to your time. So Facebook or YouTube, TikTok, I have no right to this music playing in the background. So guys, today I'm going to teach you how you are going to make your own pepper soup spice at home without you don't buy in the market. So guys, here is the clove. You can see here is clove. So and here is the longi spices, the long one that I break it and remove the seed. This one is rosemary, orioma. I don't know what they call it in English. This is called orioma. So this one is ginger. You can see it's sorry, I said ginger, garlic. This is garlic. So watch how I do it. So first of all, I'm going to mark this one with the stick. So guys, this is the clove. This is the orioma. You can see it. 2 spoons. I've added 2 spoons of orioma. This is the garlic. So guys, I'm going to cover it to blend. So guys, you can see it is very smooth and good. So this will go for pepper soup and banga soup. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you on my next video. Ciao. Guys, you can see it very smooth and nice. Look at it.